I'm going to show you exactly how to send a folder in Gmail and attach it through Google Drive. Open a new tab, go to drive.google.com, and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, go to the New button on the top left, that big button with a plus. Click New and choose Folder Upload. Don't pick File Upload because that would drag in each file separately and the folder structure falls apart. Now the file picker is open. Select the folder you want to send. I'll use a folder called Client Project. Once you choose it, watch the bottom right of the Drive window. You'll see a small Upload Progress box. If this is a large folder, give it a minute and don't close the tab until the progress box clears and says Upload Complete. With that done, open Gmail in another tab. Click Compose on the top left. The Compose window opens in the corner. Along the bottom of the Compose window, next to the Send button, there's a row of icons. Hover over them until you find the Google Drive icon. The hover text says Insert Files using Drive. Click it. A Drive panel opens right there in Gmail. If the folder isn't showing in the first view, click Recent or My Drive at the top of the panel. Find Client Project, click it once so it's selected, then click Insert at the bottom of the panel. Gmail drops the folder into the email as a Drive link chip, with the folder name and a Drive icon. That's what goes to the recipient, a link to the live folder, not a zip file and not the raw files. Gmail's attachment limit doesn't apply to it. Before you send, go back to Drive, right-click the Client Project folder and choose Share. Most folders default to Private. If yours is private, click Restricted, and change it to anyone with the link, then set it to Viewer. If you leave this set to Restricted, the person you email will just get a Request Access screen and the folder will not open. In that same Share dialog, click Copy Link. If you need to send this folder to several people, paste this link into a chat or another email instead of doing the Gmail Drive insert every time. And because this is a live folder, if you replace a file inside it later, the same link shows the updated version without a new email. If this helped you get the folder through, give it a like, subscribe for more Gmail and Drive work, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.